Beloved Hazur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Islam.
My name is Alibak Salma Noor, and my question is: when our parents scold us or punish us, we sometimes say, why is this world created, and why should Allah allow these things to happen? So, what can we do to prevent these types of thoughts? Jazakallah.
The first thing is that your parents should not punish you on small things. Eh? Should not scold you on small things, right? Some petty things. They should, politely and kindly advise you that you should do this and do that and behave well. And if you are disobeying all the instructions of your parents and putting them in trouble, then sometimes they punish you. If you are not doing your studies and even doing some bad things, then obviously you will be punished. But on small petty things, they should not do like this. Allah Ta'ala, even Hazrat Masih has said that I don't like that parents punish their children on small and petty things. Even they should tolerate each and everything of their children and pray for them, that Allah Ta'ala reform them and remove their shortcomings and problems, right? So first of all, parents should pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala make their children well behaved, good, pious, and obeying the instructions and commandments of Allah Ta'ala. So this is the first thing. Then if in any case, if we think that they are right when they are punishing, then we should also, now you are grown up, you should also realize that Allah Ta'ala has not created this world just for creating this world, or nothing is in vain. But there are some people who do not understand and follow the instruction of Allah Ta'ala. So first thing is that your parents should not behave like a senseless person. Secondly, especially for the girls, they should not punish the girls. I don't like the parents should punish the girls. They should punish boys more than the girls. If they do like this, then you will be happy. Right? So, when you are well behaved, nobody will scold you. You cannot blame Allah Ta'ala why He has created this world. Human beings should be of such a standard that it goes beyond the level of the angels even. Right? If every person realizes their duty towards Allah Ta'ala, then of course you will see your parents will not punish you, even show anger to you. So in this way, if you are following all the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, I think nothing will happen like this. So if you are only blaming your parents, you should also see yourself that are you obeying all the commandments of Allah? And even after that, if your parents are still not happy with you, then we can say the parents are not good, but children are good. Right? But, okay. When you become a parent, then you should use this lesson for your children. Right? One day, inshallah, you will be mother. When you are mother, then you take care of your children in a proper way so that they become the good asset for the community.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Jazakallah.